In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms on your Wix site on Wix Editor. To get started, head over to the Wix Editor for the website you want to work on. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps a wide range of content blocks and tools you can place on your site. From the Add Elements panel, select Contact and Forms. Here, you will see several ready-made form templates designed for different needs. For example, you can choose a contact form, a registration form, a feedback form, or even a donation form. If you want more control over the structure from the beginning, you can also click Create New Form to build one from scratch. This is especially useful if you already know exactly what information you want visitors to submit. After choosing your form, drag and drop it onto the section of the page where you want it to appear. Take a moment to place it carefully so it fits naturally with the rest of your layout and is easy for visitors to find. Next, it's time to customize the fields. Click on the form you added, then select Edit Form. This will open the Form Builder, which is where you can adjust the form to match your goals. Inside the builder, you can drag and drop extra field types into the form. Wix gives you contact fields, basic fields, and more advanced fields, including options like drop-down menus and file uploads, depending on the type of information you need to collect. If you want to fine-tune any field, just click on it. From there, you can change the field title, decide whether it should be required or optional, and even set a character limit when needed. This helps keep submissions clear and organized, especially if you are collecting specific details. You can also reorder fields at any time by dragging them up or down in the left-hand panel. This makes it easy to improve the flow of the form so visitors can fill it out more naturally. Once the structure is set, click Settings, then select the design icon to customize the look of the form. Here, you can change field background colors, borders, font styles, and button colors so the form matches the style of your brand and feels consistent with the rest of your site. After your site is live, all user responses will be collected automatically. You can manage and review submissions anytime by going to your Wix dashboard and opening forms and submissions. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.